Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can take a screenshot of Google Maps. So let's get right into it. Now to create a screenshot, you literally just need to go into Google Maps and find whichever area you would like to take a screenshot of. Here you can then use anything or any method that you know of taking screenshots. For example, on Windows, pretty sure Control and Print Screen will create a screenshot of your entire screen, which you can then crop and just leave the map part in. You can take a screenshot on your device if you're on mobile just by pressing the power and down volume button, or whichever combination is for screenshots. Or if you're on PC, you can also use the snipping tool or any other screenshot tool in your at your disposal to just select an area and take a screenshot of that. And that is pretty much how you take screenshots of maps. However, there is one other method which you can use, and that is to actually create a screenshot or an offline map, which you can do on mobile. So you're just going to go into your profile icon in the top right, and from there you're just going to select offline maps. There you'll have the option to select the area of the map that you want. It'll just show you a frame, and within that frame you just need to drag the part of the map that you want to be downloaded for offline use, and then you just need to click on download offline, and that should download that map for you, and you'll have that map for offline use, of course, for later. And of course, it does use some data, so if you're on your own data plan, the larger the area, the more data it'll use. But other than that, that's all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.